Russian history. Up until the 1200s, Russia was a loose union of Slavic peoples. What is New Russia endured several invasions, mainly by the Mongols. That is until the 1400s, when Ivan III drove them out of Russia and became the first Tsar of a unified Russian Empire, which included what is New Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Ukraine, Belarus, Moldova, Georgia, Armenia, Baku, and Dushkumbia, to name a few. A few Tsars include Ivan the Terrible, who used terror to get his way, like Stalin. Catherine the Second attempted to modernize and westernized Russia. Here's some scenes from earlier Russian history. Here's Ivan the Terrible. Invasion, etc. During the 17th and 18th centuries, there was a great modernization effort in Russia. The era of the Tsars finally came to an end in 1917 with the Russian Revolution, which set up a temporary government called a Duma. This Duma wasn't to last, however, as in 1918 the Bolsheviks took over. The Tsar was forced to abdicate, and his entire family was murdered. From then to the late 80s, the former Russian Empire became the Soviet Union, or USSR, and became communist. First with Vladimir Lenin, and then with Joseph Stalin. For the next 60-ish years, the people of the Soviet Union lived under state repression. Under Lenin and Stalin, religion was banned. All land and possessions were collectivized, and many people were thrown in penal labor camps or just killed. After World War II, as part of a treaty, the Soviet Union expanded its borders all the way into the eastern part of Germany and erected an Iron Curtain in order to keep the people within the Soviet borders. After the war, the Soviet Union spread or helped spread communism into Asia, parts of Latin America, most notably Cuba, and other parts of the world. The Cold War raged from the end of World War II to 1989. The Soviet Union managed to put the first satellite in person into outer space during the 1950s. Many disasters, including Chernobyl, happened.